Good morning. Today we are going to learn how to make homemade vanilla ice cream from scratch. And that way you won't have to go to the store and buy that ice cream with all that extra stuff in there that you can't even pronounce in the ingredients. All you need is 3 simple ingredients. A can of sweet condensed milk, vanilla extract, and heavy whipping cream. So I'm going to do 3 cups of heavy whipping cream. Okay, then you need 2 teaspoons of vanilla extract. But you know what? This time I'm just going to use 1. I'm just going to use 1 this time. And your sweet condensed milk. Try to get out as much of it as you can. Kind of get it all. Alrighty. Then you take your blender and you just blend it until it gets as thick as you want it. Once it gets to the nice thick consistency that you want it, it's ready. I'm going to take this bowl, transport it over. See how thick it is? You can get it as thick as you want it. Gotta get all that up out of there, goodness. Then you smooth out the top. And you cover the top of it with some saran wrap. When you put your saran wrap in, You press it down. You want the saran wrap to be sitting right on top of the ice cream. Just like this. Right over the top. Close the lid. Place this in your freezer for 24 hours. And then it's ready. That's how you make homemade vanilla ice cream from scratch.